So good morning everyone. So let us start the session here. So this is the part 4, which means continuation of the last class. Three utensils contains equal quantity of mixture of milk and water in the ratio 2 is to 3, 1 is to 4 and 4 is to 1 respectively. If all the solutions are mixed together, the ratio of milk and water in the new ratio is. Um, I hope you people will answer this question in a simple manner and a quick manner.
7:8.
Simple. 7 is to 8. Yes. So exactly right. People got the logic behind this problem. So to solve this kind of problem, you are having a logic and also you are having the procedural method. So what is the logic behind this problem is uh, last class itself I have mentioned without solving this kind of problems, without using any steps, you can answer within a second. So how? So here, so this is the U1. So milk, water, then the total quantity. This is U2, then U3. So there are three utensils. So one contains the ratio 2 is to 3. The 2 contains in the ratio 1 is to 4. 3 contains in the ratio 4 is to 1. So first of all, identify the total quantity here. 5, 5, 5. If the total quantities are equal, then what is the procedure? You need to simply add this. So if you add this 7, then if you add this 8. So that is the answer. So clear? Only if total quantities are equal, you can go this one. Okay, this only we have done in the previous. So here the second method already mentioned. Okay, method 2. So the ratio of the milk and water in the new mixture. So therefore, first of all, identify the total quantity of milk. Okay, so here 2 by 5 in the first one, 1 by 5 in the second one, then 4 by 5 in the third one, so which is equal to 7 by 5. Then total quantity of the water, so which is equal to 3 by 5 plus, here 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5, so which is equal to 8 by 5. So in this case, okay, ratio is 7 by 5 is to 8 by 5. Both the denominator gets cancelled. Here also we will get a 7 is to 8. Anybody having a doubt?
No, sir.
No. So then we will move on to the next one. Take 1 or 2 minutes. Use the simple technique. So you can use the method 1 or method 2 also. You can go with any method. Shall I wait?
Yes.
3 glasses of equal volume contains acid mixed with water. The ratio of acid and water are in the ratio 6 is to 1,
7
5 is to 2,
7:2, sir.
3 is to 1 respectively. Content of this glass are poured into large volume. The ratio of the acid and water in the mixture. So Rashikar giving 7 is to
No, no, sir. No, sir.
no, Rashikar no. Rashikar make either total quantity as same
Yes, sir. Last
Uh,
one is not.
yes. If it is not same, then you go with the method 2 also you can go with the total acid, then total water. That method also you can go with. Listen. So here it's the method 2. That red color, na? That method 2. That method 2 you can go. Or else you can go with the method 1 also. Method 1, what you need to do is only if the total quantity are same, then the answer is sum of the milk and sum of the water ratio. Okay, that shortcut and all we have seen in the last class itself. So here the question is dealing with the same, but the last one. Okay, third glass, check whether it's the same or not. The total quantity.
Different, sir.
Different, huh? I won't see.
No, sir, Hasina.
Please mute. If you're answering, then no, you can. Okay.
65 is to 19.
65 is to 90 is right. So we are planning with the polity class. Okay. In the upcoming days, we will launch the polity class. Okay. Suppose if you people want to join, means you can join. Polity we will complete a whole class. Okay. Whole class. I am not suppose if I am teaching polity, I am not going to do the crash course. Always. So time is the if I am doing that polity course, we will go foundation. Okay, with respect to polity we will see all the case laws with respect to case on and the Bharati case, and then Minerva Mills case, then Golaknath was a state of Punjab. So then you need to how preamble, then what is the thing, so fundamental rights, so those things are very important. Okay, so these things suppose if you need to learn elaborately, then we go with the foundation course. Suppose if you want to join, I don't know about the fees etc. Once we are finalized we will inform. Okay, so suppose if you people want, means you can join. So here 6, then here 5, here 3, here 1, here 2, here 1. So the total quantity here is 7, here 7, here 4, but the total quantity here not same. So you can make that as a same. Your 4 table 4 sevens are 28. Then so multiply here with 7. So throughout this equation you have to multiply with 7. Okay, throughout equation. So in order to get 28. Okay, here. So here what you have to multiply, here you have to multiply with 4 in order to get. So the 4 you have to multiply here 4, you have to multiply here 4. Then here also 4. Then multiply, then multiply. So this is the shortcut method. So here total quantity now same. Then what you need to do is so what is the resultant? 4, 8, 7. So here so therefore 19. Then here 24, 20, here 21. So therefore here 65. So therefore answer is 65 is to 19. But the thing is you need to make sure that the total quantity is same. Okay, that is important. Anybody having a doubt? Or else you can go with method 2 also. Clear, Vamsi, Pratyush, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Fine,
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
fine, fine. So next, so this method is enough, right? One method
Enough, sir.
enough. So now this question, uh, a container A and B contains a mixture of acid and water in the ratio. If the both the containers are mixed in the proportion, so this is another model. Okay, find the ratio of acid and water in the newly formed mixture. Acid and water in the newly formed mixture. Okay, this is another model, new model. Okay, so you can take some minute. So what is the question here is actually one. So I will explain the question first. So this is the container 1. This is the container 2. So in this container we're having some acid and water, so that acid and water in the ratio 4:5. So here in the container 2 you are having acid and water, that is in the ratio 5:1. If you okay, then if both the containers are mixed in the proportion, okay, so find the ratio of the acid and water in the newly formed one. Okay, that is the question. So here this somewhat mixed here. Okay, so mixed ratio has been provided, so that mixed ratio is nothing but a 5, here 2. Okay, which means that 5 unit of the container 1, then 2 unit of container 2, that is mixed in this proportion. Then you need to check what kind of ratio that container 3, okay, contains acid and water. Okay, that is the question. Okay, here also you can do the simple method. I'll wait. If you are trying now, I'll wait. Any one of you trying?
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine, fine. I'll wait. Today we will complete every question up to 16 slides. There's still 11 more problem. I think so. 11 is found. Vamsi, Rajashekar, Pratyush, Asina, then who are present. Anu present. Fine. Aisha, Ajay, I'm estimating answers. Ismail, understanding.
Yes, sir.
Same method. You can use the previous method itself. Simple. Why this much of time? Listen. I will tell you the step. So here the 5 unit, right? First container 5 unit of the mixture. Okay. So out of 5 unit, how much acid and how much water there? So that you need to calculate. So here total is 9, right? So therefore acid and water. Okay. So here 4, so total is 9. Therefore acid is 4 by 9. Here water is 5 by 9. Okay. So here out of this you are taking the 5 unit. Okay, so this is initial. After 5 unit, 5 unit only you are taking. 5 unit means you have to multiply that a 5 unit. So therefore 4 by 5 into 9. 4 by 9 into 5. Okay, sorry. Then 5 by 9 into 5. Then it will become 20 by 9. Here it will become 25 by 9. So then you go with the container 2. So first of all identify. So container 2 acid is 5 by 6. Then water is 1 by 6. So 2 units, right? So therefore 2 unit of mixture only we are taking. Then 5 by 6 into 2, 1 by 6 into 2. Then it will become 5 by 3. Then here it will become 1 by 3. So now simply add the acid and then add the water. Simple. So that's the required ratio. So therefore required ratio 20 by 9 plus 5 by 3 is to 25 by 9 plus 1 by 3. So first take the LCM. So what is the LCM here? 9 LCM, right? So therefore 15, then numerator here contains 20, therefore it will become 35. So ratio here 9 means 25 plus 9, 34. So
Yes, 35 is to 28 means 7, 5 is to
huh?
4.
Sir, there
7
is
25.
means 5 is to 4.
9,
So here 20,
8.
28,
28 by 9.
9. Then 9, 9 cancel. 35 is to 28. Then which table? 7 table.
5 is to 4.
So this is one method. Okay. So you people need another method. Shall I teach another method? If you people need, I will teach. So previous case method. So this shortcut method we have used done now. That shortcut method also you can apply you. Anybody wants to learn? Or we will go on
Yes,
with
sir.
second.
Please teach that method.
You want that method? Okay. I will teach you that method also. So both the methods I will give you. Okay. As a slides. Okay. That will be there in your handout.
Sir, 35 by 9 how come, sir?
Huh? LCM
35
Manu.
by. Okay, okay, sir.
Wait. You need LCM. Shall I teach?
No, sir, no, sir. I thought it will add, but it is LCM.
Since why LCM? Since one contains 3, another contains 9 in the denominator.
Yes,
See,
sir.
listen. I will teach you. So here one contains 20 by 9, another contains 5 by 3. So what is the LCM between 9 and 3? 9 is the LCM. Okay. So here 9 means we have to multiply here 1 time. Since 9 is there, therefore you have to multiply 1 in the numerator. But here 3 is there, therefore we have to multiply 3 in the denominator, 3 in the numerator. Therefore it will become 15. So therefore 20 plus 15 is nothing but 39. 35. 35 by 9. Understood?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you, sir.
சார்
Hmm.
இது எல்சிஎம் HCF வந்து தனி கிளாஸ் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
LCM see நம்ம இன்னும் நம்பர் சிஸ்டம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணல, அதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். நம்பர் சிஸ்டம் வந்து 1 month complete number system we will see. Okay, 1 full month. And since if you go through the previous year question paper, so last year 2022 itself there was 19 questions. Okay, 2021 there almost 15 plus question was there. 2020 there was almost 20 plus questions are there with respect to number system. So for number system itself we need to discuss specifically. Okay, December month fully we are going to deal with the number system. Okay, not with 1 or 4 classes. Full month possibly we need to discuss with the number system. Lot of variety of questions. Then only you people will get some kind of confident to face the number system. At least out of that 19 questions, if you pick at least 14 questions, then only it would be very easy to cross. Okay, so number system plays very vital role that we will see separately. Okay, Ismail.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So now this is the container A, this is the container B. So this is the acid, then this is the water. So simple method. So here 4 5, then 5 and 1. Okay, so first of all here find out the total quantity. Here total quantity is 9 and 6. So now what is the LCM that make 18 so 18 means I will change the color of the pen. Okay, 18 means what? We have to multiply with the 3 here, multiply with the 2. Since we need to, what is the first step? We need to make the total quantity as same. So therefore, you have multiplied here with the 3. Then you have to multiply here, you have to multiply here, you have to multiply here, you have to multiply here. Then it will become 12. Then it will become 15. Here 15. Then here 3. Then 27 here 18. Okay. So after finding out this, okay.
So first one, 5 into 2.
5 into 2, sorry pa.
4 into 2, 5 into 2.
Oh yes, I have multiplied wrongly. Okay, so first one is we have to multiply with 2 only, right? Okay, fine. So here 2 here 2 so the 4, wait
23 is to 13.
wait, here 2, so it will become, so then it will become 15
15
then here 2
into 2,
hmm.
10
Here
into 3, 3.
3. Now listen. So after, see, first of all write this one 8 15 properly, right? Since I will tell you the next step, that next step is important. Here 18 so out of this how much of the proportion you are taking with respect to the container 1? 5.
5.
So
5.
then multiply 5 here. Okay, multiply the 5 here. Shall I change the color of the pen so for a better understanding? So multiply 5, multiply 5, multiply 5. So here 2 proportion, right? In the second one, so therefore it will become 40 here 50 here, then 30 here, 6 here. So add everything, then 70 is to 56. Which table? 70 is to 56. 13 table 13
7 table.
7 table
10,
itself you go
8. Yes,
okay,
sir.
10 8. Again
10.
you can cancel
5,
4.
4.
Clear method 1 or method 2? Vamsi
Yes.
understood? Pratish understood? Anu understood?
Yes, sir.
Ventrilosa understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can practice this kind of methods, you can practice. So container 1 and container 2 problems and all you have to practice. Okay, so these things and all very important kind of questions. Okay, so shall we move to the next
Sir,
question?
sir, ஒரு
ம்
டவுட்.
கேளுங்க.
8 into 5 போட்டிருக்கீங்களா சார்? இந்த தேர்ட் ப்ரொப்போர்ஷன் வந்து 5:2 அதனால வந்து
ஆமா
மல்டிபிள் பண்ணியிருக்குமா சார்?
ஆமா
ஓகே சார்.
புரிஞ்சுச்சா? first step is you
எஸ்
need
சார்.
to make the, so this is the step 1. So here step number 1 is so this is the step number 1. Listen, so first step is you need to make the quantity as same. After making the quantity of same, you are taking this much of part with respect to the mixture. So okay, you are taking the 5 unit only with respect to the mixture. So therefore in that complete mixture what we are taking is we are taking only the 5 part. In the second one we are taking the 2 part. Rajeshwari,
எஸ் சார்.
fine. Shall we move
புரிஞ்சிச்சு
to
சார்.
next
தேங்க்யூ.
question?
எஸ் சார்.
Okay. So therefore here 2 alloys contain tin and iron in the ratio 1:2 and 2:3. If the two alloys are mixed in the proportion, find the ratio. Same problem, similar problem. Shall I wait? You can go with a shortcut method. Go with shortcut method and answer quickly. Try, everyone try. Charu, try to give the answer.
So 13 is to 22.
Simple. 13:22. Then let's see. Jansi, try Jansi. Priyanka also try and try to give the answer. It's a simple only. Okay. So it's a within a minute. You after knowing the method, you people will answer in a simple manner. So first one, 2 alloys, right? So therefore alloy 1. Here tin, iron, total quantity. So here 1, here 2, then total is here 3. Then
6 is to 11.
Napa,
6 is to 11.
Rashakar gave 13:22. You are giving 6:11. No, Dinesh found. So find your error, Dinesh. Somewhere you are making mistake. Here 2 and 3. So here 5. So now what we are going to do is we have to change the color. Okay. So here 3, here 5 times. Then only, so it will come. Na, so quantity. Okay. Here 5, sorry, here 3, ra. Here 3, here 3. Then what is the new one? So here 5, here 6, then 10, 9, 15, 15. So next thing is how much part you are taking. Here 3 part, 3 part,
Sir,
3 part,
yes.
4 part, wait, 4 part, 4 part. Then it will become 15, 24, 30, then 36. Add everything. So if you add 30, 9 here 66, then 13 table. Okay, 13 or else 3 table. Go with the 3 table. 13 table you cannot. Go with the 3 table. 3 13s are 3 13s are 3 22s are. Yes, now Anu, tell me.
The total quantity is 3:4, sir. You made 3:5, sir.
Where?
Correct only, sir.
Where?
Total quantity, sir.
Anu,
Yes, sir.
people others understood.
Sir, yes, sir, it's correct only. I didn't find any
No, no, no,
mistake.
no, no, no. It's correct. But you people understood. Others.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
அனு கவனிங்க இங்க என்னன்னு சொல்றது கொஞ்சம் புரிஞ்சு. Let me explain in the Tamil. Suppose if you want anybody in English, please tell me now itself. Since Anu know Tamil very well, if I teach her in Tamil, she may understand in a better way. Suppose if you people understood means, then okay. If you are not able to understood means, please tell me. I will explain the question in the English also. Okay, fine. So I am going for Anu now. So now listen, Anu, என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அலாய் 1 அண்ட் அலாய் 2 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதோட ரேஷியோ வந்து 1:2 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அந்த 1:2 தான் இங்கே போட்டிருக்கீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல. தென் அலாய் 2ல 2:3. அதோட டோட்டல் என்ன பார்த்தோம், டோட்டல் வந்து 3 and 5ன்னு வருது. அந்த டோட்டல் குவான்டிட்டியை வந்து நீங்கள் சேம் ஆக்கணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும், சேம் டேபிள் ஓகே, அப்படி இல்லைனா இங்கே இருக்க 5 கொண்டு போய் அங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள், இங்கே இருக்க 3 கொண்டு வந்து இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ அதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டெப். இந்த ஸ்டெப் நம்பர் 1 வந்து முடிச்சாச்சு. ஸோ ஸ்டெப் நம்பர் 1 வந்து கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஆஃப்டர் ஸ்டெப் நம்பர் 1 கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சுன்னா 5, 6, 10, 9, 15, 15. ஓகே, இதுதான் ஸ்டெப் நம்பர் 1 முடிச்சுட்டு இப்போ அந்த ஸ்டெப் நம்பர் 1ல இருந்து இப்போ இந்த மிக்சர்ல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா 3 பார்ட் தான் எடுக்கிறோம். அந்த 3 யூனிட் எடுக்கிறதுனால தான் இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்ல 3 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். இங்க 4 பார்ட் எடுக்கிறதுனால தான் இதுல 4 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்றோம். ஸோ இப்போ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிங்கன்னா 5 3s are 15, 6 4s are 24, 10 3s are 30, 9 4s are 36. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு 10 வந்துச்சா, 10 என்னது 15 by 24. ஸோ தட் ரேஷியோ இஸ் 39. ஸோ இங்கே என்ன ப்ரொபோர்ஷனில் இருக்குது 30 by 36, therefore 66. ஸோ நீங்கள் 13 டேபிளில் கட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா, சாரி 3 டேபிளில் கட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 13:22. புரிஞ்சிச்சா?
சார் எஸ் சார், கிளியர் சார்.
கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகிறதுக்கு இங்கே எதுவுமே இல்லை. இங்கே 3:4 ப்ரொபோர்ஷன் வந்து நீங்கள் அந்த குவான்டிட்டியை சேம் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் நம்ம அங்கேருந்து 3 ப்ரொபோர்ஷன் எடுக்கிறோம், இங்கே 4 ப்ரொபோர்ஷன் எடுக்கிறோம். புரிஞ்சிச்சா?
ஓகே சார், டைரக்ட்லி வி ஷுட் நாட் டூ நோ சார்.
டைரக்ட்லி எப்படிப்பா முடியும்? இந்த மெத்தடில் அப்படியாப்பா சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன் போன சம்ல. பாருங்க, இங்கே பாருங்க, இந்த போன சம்ல பாருங்க 5:2. நான் எங்கே 5:2 வந்து மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கேன்? 5 கொண்டு வந்து இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணேன், 2 கொண்டு வந்து இங்கே தானே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
So now, suppose if you are facing any issues, now you can raise. I will explain in the English also. Anybody wants? No means we'll move on with the next problem. Clear for everyone?
Clear, sir.
Fine. Okay. Next one. So now, 3 glasses contains acid mixed with water. The ratio of acid and water are 3:2, 2:1 and 2:2 respectively. If the mixture taken out in the ratio 10:9:5, what is the ratio of acid and water in the new mixture? So I think same procedure you can apply you can get that answer. It's a simple one, same procedure, but here dealing with the 3 classes. So previous problem is with respect to the 1, here with respect to the 3. The same logic you can apply here. I'm expecting the answer. Take your time. So this class is the last class with respect to the ratio and proportion. Okay, we will. So what is the second test portion? What are the portions we have completed so far? Percentage, then profit and loss. Profit and loss. Then anything else completed? No, right? Have you?
7:5.
7:5 is right, Rajshekar. But what are the chapters we have completed? Percentage, Rajshekar. Percentage, ratio and proportion. Anything else? Then profit and loss. 3 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will try to complete another 3 chapters in the upcoming okay days. Then we go with or else if people want test with respect to this 3 chapter itself, or we go with another 3 chapters according to you people.
Sir, I think 2 more chapters then test.
Okay, we'll go with the 3 more chapters and we go with the test. Okay, fine. So find so found the answer. Anu,
Sir, doing sir.
Anu நீங்க அப்படியே ப்ரொசீஜர் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம் என்ன பண்ணனும் இதுல.
Group
தெரியுமா?
1. Yes sir. 3 sir. 2 sir.
நீங்க 3 2 நம்பர் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க கடகடன்.
2 1. 5 3 sir.
ஏமா 5 3 இங்க என்ன இருக்கு 2 3 தானே இருக்கு
2 3 sir, 2 3 sir.
Then total quantity
5
hmm.
3
Hmm.
5 sir.
Fine. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், so you are not having the total quantity as same, so then what you need to do, you have to make it as a same. So what you have to do, multiply. So here 15 na LCM is 15, then இப்போ இங்க என்ன multiply பண்ணும்
3 sir.
3 here
5 sir.
here
3 sir.
so then you have to multiply here 3, then you have to multiply here 3, you have to multiply here 5, you have to multiply here 5, then you have to multiply here 3, you have to multiply here 3. So now total quantity will become 15, 15, 15. So after this, add this everything. So first of all, multiply here 6, then 5, then 9. Here 9, 10, then 6. புரிஞ்சிச்சா இது வரையும்?
Yes sir.
சரி. So here 15, 15, 15. Now glass 1, how much proportion you are taking out?
10.
Anu,
Sir,
10 here,
10.
first one 10, second one is 9, third one is 5. So then
5.
what you have to do? Here multiply with the 10,
10 sir.
here
9 sir.
9, here
5 sir.
புரிஞ்சிச்சா இப்போ?
Yes sir, yes sir.
அவ்வளோதான், மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, ஈஸியாக வந்துடும். So now 90, again 90, 30, then here 60, then 45, again 45. So therefore add everything 180, 210, here 150. So therefore the ratio will become 0 0 cancel, then 3 table 7 times 5 times 7:5. Anybody having a doubt?
No sir.
Clear everyone?
Yes sir.
Fine. So now 2 vessels contains milk and water in the ratio. Find the ratio in which the contents of the 2 vessels has to be mixed. Listen carefully. This question is the reverse concept. Okay. So if you need, if you read again. 2 vessel contains milk and water in the ratio 3:5 and 6:1. Find the ratio in which the content of the 2 vessels have to be mixed to get the new mixture which is in the ratio. So here the new mixture ratio has been provided here. Okay, milk and water. So how much you need to find the ratio of the content 2 vessels have to be mixed. The previous question is dealing with this much of ratio has been provided. Okay, taken out this much of mixture, then you need to found the new mixture. But here the case is in order to get that a new mixture in the ratio 7:5, how much you need to add? So that is the question. It's a reverse one. So this is the model number 6. First class we have seen up to 4 model. Here model number 6. So here you can go with the alligation method also here. Okay, so in this kind of problem go with the alligation method. So here, so this is vessel 1, then this is the vessel 2. Okay, so here one side you need to take okay, here milk. Either you can go with the milk itself or else you can go with the water itself if you are using the alligation method. So here milk and here itself a milk. Okay, so here in the first one, what is the milk? 3/8. Here what is the second one? 6/7. So what is the final? Okay, after, okay, after mixer a new one will become 7:3, which means that milk part is 7/10. What is the alligation method? So I will tell you here alligation method. So you have to 7/10 here minus 3/8 here. So this method, so here 6/7 minus 7/10. If you know the alligation method, then easy. Now take the LCM here, 70. So here 7 times, right? 7 times here in this. So here 10 times, here 60, here 7 times. So therefore 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Then here 80 is the LCM of 40. Yeah. You can take 40 as LCM. So if 40 is LCM here, it will become 28 minus here 15. Then answer is going to be the 11 by 70, then 13 by 40, right? Then what we have to do after finding all this?
So
Suppose
take
if
LCM of 70 and 40.
uh, see, listen, 0 0 cancel. So now what is the LCM here?
28.
28 multiply here. So now cancel this. How much time? 4 times. Here 7 times. So 11 fours are 44. Then here 91. So this is the answer. Simple manner you can go here. So this is the part. Find the ratio in which the content of the two vessels. Okay. Suppose, see, I will tell you the procedure here. Listen carefully. So alligation and a mixture topic. Next topic is alligation mixture. Okay, we are going to see tomorrow's class alligation mixture only we are going to discuss. So do this kind of problem. Vessel 1 contains milk and water in the ratio 3:5 and 6:1. Find a ratio in which the content of the two vessels are to be mixed. Listen, the resultant has been given after the mixing up. So the rice 1 and rice 2 has been mixed. Then that quantity will become this much. So like that. Okay. So here, so that mixer. So this is nothing but the mean. M. Okay. You can take as X also. Now, what is the procedure here is the first step. So there, this is nothing but suppose if I am taking this is okay. I will take here. So if I am taking A and here B, okay, then what you need to do is here the thing is M minus A, here B minus M. So this is the procedure with respect to your alligation mixture topic. The same one you can go with the water also. Check whether you are getting the same answer or not. I'll wait for a minute. Check with the water content.
Sir, in the last step, how we got 28? I didn't get that one.
How you are getting 28? So
Uh,
here in the denominator, see you need to make the denominator as the same. So or else, listen, what is the LCM between 7 and 4?
28.
That you need to multiply.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
If the answer is in the ratios 11 by 7 is to 13 by 4, then good, stop it. Or else they will go with the modification. What is the modification? LCM between the 7 and the 4. LCM between the 7 and 4 is nothing but 28. That you need to multiply here. Vamsi, understood? Both the sides. In order to get the same denominator, therefore the denominator gets cancelled. Then the numerator is going to be the new ratio. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Fine. Just to check with the water and tell me whether you are getting the same answer or not. I'll wait. Water. What is the first side? First side is 5 by 8. In this side 1 by 7. Understood?
The 28 minus 15 by 40, how we get, sir?
Huh?
60 minus 49 by 70 is cross multiplication we get, no, sir. 28 minus 15 by 40, how we get, sir?
Ln LCM. Or else you go with 10 into 8, 80 also you can take. That is the, so what is the LCM for 10 comma, what is the common table present here? Least common multiple. So you can take with the LCM 80 also. But here 40 also comes. So 10 fours are 40, 8 fives are 40. Then 40 is the LCM. If 40 is the LCM, here you have to multiply with the 4 times. Then here multiply with the 5 and 5 times. 7 fours are 28, 3 fives are 15. Clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, for
Sir,
what
it's
also?
coming for what also?
Water also same answer, ah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will come same answer. So listen, you have to be very careful with the models and practice subsequently with respect to the procedures. Okay, that is my suggestion. So now, why I am using allegation here? Since I know the middle part 7:3, then easily you can go with. Shall I give one more question? Same you can go with allegation method. Okay. See here. In I'm expecting answer from others also, not only with respect to Rajshekhar and Dinesh and Vamsi or Pratish. Okay, others also try. Okay, in two blends of the mixed tea, the ratio of the Darjeeling and Assam tea are in the ratio 4:7 and 2:5. The ratio in which these two blends should be mixed to get the ratio of the Darjeeling and Assam tea in the new mixture. New mixture has been provided here. So you can go with the allegation method. You can go with allegation method. This model number 6. Next is model number 7. This is model number 6. Same allegation method. You go either with respect to the Darjeeling or else you go with the Assam. Surely you will get the same answer. Charulata, give the answer for this question. Let us see. Charulata, Ilavasi, Jansi. Ajay, getting up, எப்படி போகணும் தெரியுதா?
சரி சரி தெரியுது.
சரிப்பா.
Sir, is it 11 is to 49?
Hmm?
11 is to 49.
11:49. No, check. Any other answer?
Sir, 22 is to 35.
Ashina giving
Yes, sir.
25 is 22 is to 35.
Yes, sir.
Correct, correct. 22 is to 35 is right. So here, so Darjeeling. So this is the one, 2. Here 4 out of 11. Here 2 out of 7. So here that resultant is after blended. Okay, blends. Okay. So here 19. Here 6. then 6 by 19 minus 4 by 11. Here 2 by 7 minus 6 by 19. So the LCM is 7 into 19. Then 2 into 19s are 2 into 19s are right.
38.
That's 38 minus 42.
Huh?
He said we should take the difference here.
The same one, na? Previous case only we are applying here.
Yes, the same one, but we are taking the difference here. Like minus negative signs are coming now, so we should take the difference, not sign.
Yes, yes, you can go that one also. Okay. Or else you can go with the wait. You should not consider the sign here. Okay. Since or else you can go in another method also. If you are getting the negative, then you go with the alternative. So what is the alternative? 6 by 19 minus 2 by 7. See, suppose if you are making changes with respect to one side, then the same also you need to change here. Then you have to go with the 11 by 4 by 11. Then only both the sides you are multiplying with the negative sign, it will become. Everyone clear what I am mentioning? So here 42, here 38. Then here 4 into 19
76
are 36, 76. 76 minus
minus
66
66.
by 11 into 19. Then it will become 4 by
133, sir.
133 appa.
Yes, sir. 133.
Or else shall we take 1 by 19 as a common?
Yes, 99 can cancel out now, so why
Ah,
take 9?
clear Ashigar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that is a thing. Year 4, year 7, year
4 by
19.
7 is to 10 by 11, sir.
10 by 11
11.
into 19, 19, 19 cancel. Then you go with the 77. Clear
Yeah, into 70, into 77.
LCM is the 77. Then you have to 11. You have to multiply here 11. Therefore 44. So here you have to multiply with the 7. Therefore it will become
70.
70. You can cancel here with respect to two table. Therefore 22 here 35. 22 is to 35. Clear. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. No. Previous case also we can do here. 6 by 19 minus 4 by 11. 2 by 7 minus. See, obviously you will get the negative here. You will get the negative here. Both the signs will get cancelled here. Okay, don't worry. Both are same only. Okay. Since here in this, okay, A also you are getting negative, B also getting negative. Therefore, you can cancel that negative also. Shall I move on with the next model?
Yes, sir.
So now, listen carefully. This is the model number 7. Okay, model number 7. Listen, this model is important. Before that, you need to learn some formula here. I will tell you the formula here to solve this kind of problem. So here they will ask you to find out the final quantity or else final mixture. Okay, so to find out the final quantity or final mixture, then what you need to do is initial quantity. So take this note. Okay, initial quantity into 1 minus x by c the whole power n. So here the c is nothing but the capacity. C is nothing but the capacity of the vessel. Okay, so this x is nothing but the. So to solve this kind of problem in a simple manner, see it has um, without formula also can do, but here if you are applying na, easily you will get the answer. Quantity taken out, x is nothing but the quantity taken out at a time. So then n is nothing but a number of times you are doing that proceeding, adding and taking out, etc. Okay, Then if you apply now, you will get the answer here. So here, so now let us read the question. The vessel contains 80 liter of the milk. 8 liter of the milk is taken out and replaced by water. Okay. Then again from the mixture, 8 liter again is taken out, then replaced by the water. Find the amount of the milk in the final mixture. You can go with the proper uh, analytical way of thinking and you can proceed. Okay, that is also possible. So here, in order to check the find the amount of the milk in the final mixture, you can go with this model in order to get the problem, and also to save your time, you can go with here also. Initial quantity also you can find by using the same method. So here the final quantity of the milk. Okay, final amount of milk in the final mixture. So what is the initial amount? 80. Yeah. Since the container contains 80 liter of the milk, so out of this 1 minus. Okay. So X is the quantity taken at the time. How much of the quantity you are taking? 8. By C is nothing but the what is the capacity? Capacity is nothing but the 80 liter. Container contain 80 liters. So now how much time you are doing? So your 8 liters taking out. Again you are taking out the 8 liters. Therefore 2 times. So then easily you can find out this one. So here 1 by 10. So 1 by 10. So here 10 minus 1 is nothing but a 9. 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. Simple. So now you can go here with 80 into 81 by 100. You can cancel this 0 0. 81 into 8. Therefore 8 here, 64 here, 648 by 10. So which is equal to 64.8 liters. Clear? Done. Shall I give you the same model? You people try.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Suppose there is a possibility of raising a question with respect to in terms of a ratio also. Okay. That question also we will see here. See, same question. Okay, note the slide number 11. From slide number 11, you just apply the logic. Okay, after this class, apply the logic without any kind of formula. Apply the simple logic. 80 liter, you're taking the milk, adding the same quantity of the water. So you go with the simple logic. So milk, okay, 80 liter milk. Okay, previous problem only I am taking. So now you are taking 8 liter out. So now 8 liter means what? 72 liter. So you are adding 8 liter of the water. Okay, so now the mixture. So like that you just do the manual calculation and try to find out the answer. Suppose you are not getting the answer, then you have to ask. Okay, always don't expect others to. Others means the teacher or parent or whoever. Self responsibility is important. You need to take responsibility. So now here, the vessel contains 60 liter of the milk. 12 liter of the milk is taken out from it, replaced by the water, which means that you are replacing that amount of water, which means that 12 liter of water is you are adding by taking the milk. So that is the thing. So this is the 60 liter of the milk. So do the manual calculation also. Here you are taking out the 12 liter of the milk, then it will become a 48 liter. Then you are adding the 12 liter of the water. So like that you need to calculate. Okay. So again from this mixture, okay, amount of 12 liter is taken. So amount of 12 liter is taken means so now this mixture means the water also contained here. So like that you need to do the manual calculation. So
Sir,
take your
answer
time.
that 38.4 is to 21.6.
38.4 is
4
to
is to
21.
21.6.
Yes, correct. Correct. So now listen. First of all, let us do here. So what is the initial quantity? So initial quantity. So take the data quickly, solve this kind of problem by using the models, then surely So initial quantity is nothing but a water.
60.
60.
60.
Okay, 60 liter. Then how much you are taking?
12 liters.
So x is equal to 12. See, capacity also 60. Understood?
N.
Then so final quantity. Final quantity is equal to initial quantity into 1 minus 12 by 60. The whole power. How many times you are doing? 2 times. So 60 here 1, here 5, then 5 minus 1, 4 by 5 the whole square. So it will become 60 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. Then here 12, 12. Then 48 into 4 are 192.
192.
192 by 5. 192 by 5 is nothing but a 38 times
38.4.
0.2. 0.2 means what? 4 times. Therefore 38.4. So now read the question now carefully here. So this is the final quantity. So this is the final quantity 38.4. So now sorry. So the ratio of the milk and water. Okay. So now listen carefully. It's a quite simple. So this one is the final quantity of the milk since you are doing with respect to the milk. Okay. So therefore here liter means 38.4 liter. Then out of 60 liter, how much of water will be there in the final quantity? 60
60
minus
minus.
simple the
15
quantity
is
of water. So this method is easy method, fast you can do fast, okay, in a fast manner. So 21.6, therefore the ratio of the milk and the water which is equal to 38.4 is to 21.6. You can go with a table also. If any table means you can go. Any table there are? No. Then you can
Two
stop your
table.
answer. Which
Two
table?
table. 19.2 is to 10.8. We can further go on reducing.
Oh, no, not necessary. Okay, let us keep here itself. Okay. So shall we move on with the next question?
Sir, what about 3 tables, sir?
3 table. 3 table means
Yes, sir. 7:2.
7 is to 2.
Yes, sir.
No, no, no,
So
not.
why not 21:6? No. Tick.
Coming
Sir,
point 12.8 is
Yes,
2.
sir.
So
I think this is a proportion.
Which table? Just give me a minute.
sir, 12.8 is to 7
Yes,
is
who is
to
this?
7.2, sir.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Dinesh, wait. Yes, who is this?
Sir, I got your number from Tamil Selva, who is just
Sir, wait a
giving
minute.
the things for
Sir,
my son, who is in 12th standard.
Okay, fine.
He is taking care of chemistry. I asked him to get, I need somebody to take care of my math also.
Okay, sir, shall I call you after 11 o'clock?
Please, sir, please.
I will
Thank
call
you.
you surely. Thank you. I am in one class. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries, sir.
Thank you. Sorry பா சொல்லுங்கப்பா அந்த கால் திருப்பி திருப்பி வந்துச்சு.
3 tables பண்ணா 12.8 is to 7 is 7.2, sir.
Fine. Okay, see, with respect to the answer you can go. Okay, so or else what you do is just multiply with respect to 10 on the both sides, then it will become 384 is to 2 and 6. Then we have to go with the common table. Okay, clear? Shall we move on to the next one?
Sir, or doubt, sir. Sir, if the question that 12 liters of milk is taken out from it as a first statement, sir. Second, 12 liters is again taken out in இருக்கு. சும்மா 12 liters இருக்கும்போது அந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணுமா சார்? இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மில்க் 12 liters எடுத்துட்டு அப்புறம் மிக்சர்ல இருந்து வேற நம்பர் 13 liters 14 liters கொடுத்தா இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா சார்?
முடியாது. X வேரி ஆகுதுல்ல.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே.
அஜய் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. இங்கே பாருங்க, எக்ஸ் வேரி ஆகிடும்.
Yes, sir.
எக்ஸ் வேரி ஆச்சுன்னா யூ கேன் நாட் யூஸ் இட். ஓகே,
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay.
fine. So this question also you check, Ajay, this question. So now
Okay.
the vessel contains 20 liter of the acid. 4 liter of this taken out of the vessel and replaced by the same quantity of the water. Next 4 liter of the mixture are withdrawn. And again the vessel is filled with the water. Understood, Ajay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If x is same, then only you can apply this formula.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, fine. Still 4 more problem apart from this problem. We will try to complete by 11 at least.
Twenty is to 12.8.
Huh?
12.8 is to 20.
Listen, the ratio of the acid left in the vessel with respect to the original quantity. Left in the vessel with respect to the original quantity. 12.8 is to
20.
correct. Clear, huh?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now what is the initial quantity? IQ is 20, huh? Then X
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but a 4, huh? C is nothing but a 20
2.
liter.
20.
Yes, sir. So therefore final quantity. So final quantity which is equal to 20 into 1 minus 4 by 20, 2 times repeating. So therefore 2. Therefore 20 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. Then here 4 times. So then 16 for the 64. 64 by 5. So 12 times 0.4. Then 8 times. So 8 liter. So the question is, this is the final quantity. The question is not with respect to the, so therefore the question is the ratio of the acid left out in that. Left out in that. So this is the left out final quantity. What would be the original? 20 liter of the acid. Okay, so that is the original. So original quantity is equal to 20 liter. So then the ratio is equal to 12.8 is to 20. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or else you can multiply here 128 into 200. So then you can if you can complete that also fine. Then you can cancel by using some table. Then you can get the simplified answer also. If anybody doing now, you can do. Okay. Then
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
hmm.
சார் இப்போ எக்ஸ் வந்து 2 டைம்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால நம்ம 2 டைம்ஸ் போட்டோம். அதே மாதிரி அந்த லாஸ்ட்ல வந்து அன்சோ ஆன் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா அது எப்படி சார் பண்றது?
அன்சோ ஆன்னா n டைம்ஸ் n அப்படியே இருக்கும்.
ஓகே சார்.
புரிஞ்சுச்சா? இப்போ அன்சோன்றதுக்காக தான் நம்ம வந்து ஃபார்முலாலே என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? See, in the formula itself we are maintaining that unso on as a n. Okay, number of process. Understood? See, without knowing n, how could you?
சார்.
In that situation, you cannot determine.
ஓகே சார்.
Or option present in with respect to the n, then you can go with that option. Understood?
ஓகே சார்.
Sir,
Hmm.
so last problem is respect to final quantity or initial quantity. So final quantity is 12.8 now. So respect to
With respect to the original quantity, 12.8 by
Oh,
20.
ratio. Okay.
Clear?
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Clear.
A container contains two liquids A and B in the ratio 7:5. When 9 liter of the mixture are drawn off and the container is filled with B, the ratio of A and B, this is the model 7, the ratio of A and B becomes 1:1. How many liter of the liquid was in the container initially? Try this kind of some model. This question and all you have done already. First model we have done na, that method you apply. Find the difference between the unit. That difference is nothing but the diameter. Clear what I am giving you the suggestion? Yes or no? Not able to get
Yes, sir.
able to get or not able to get?
Not able to say.
Not able to. So listen.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, a container contains two liquids, which means the only one container. Okay, A and B. That A and B are in the ratio 7:5. So now 9 liter of that mixture are taken off, and container is filled with B. Then the ratio will become 1:1. How many liters of liquid A was there in the container initially? That is the question now. So now this is A, this is B. So initial, this is final. So initially how much? 7, 5. Then finally after this of taking out these things and all, then the final is nothing but a 1/7. Okay. How many liters of A was there? Okay. So here what you need to do is make that A quantity as the same. In order to make the A's quantity as the same, what you have to do? Multiply with 7 both the side. Clear? Since the quantity will become 7 7 with respect to the A, then here 5 7. After making the quantity as the same, what is the procedure? Difference between this. This difference is equal to 2 unit. Then that 2 unit is nothing but the adding mixture. That is nothing but the 9 liter. Then what is the 1 unit? 1 unit is equal to 9 by 2. So you need to calculate with the initial mixture. Okay, initially. So that is the question here. Initially, container initially. Therefore, initial mixture. What is the total initially? 12. So out of that, what would be the container? Okay, find out the 12 units. 1 unit is equal to So initial mixture is 12 unit. So the 12 unit is nothing but 12 into 9 by 2. Okay. Then after that initial mixture, what you are adding? 9. Understood? Clear or not? So here 6. Then here 63 plus 9. So now 63, yeah. 63 only, right?
Total 63, sir.
54, sir. 54 plus 9.
63, yeah, totally.
Yes, sir.
So here 67, 63 liters. But the question is liquid A only, right? So liquid A only how much part? 7 out of 12. With respect to this much of total mixture. So therefore 7 part is nothing but with respect to the A. Then cancel this. So multiply this. 7 into 63. 7 into 63. 1.
So,
Hmm.
so the question is that 9 liters of mixture are drawn off, and
Hmm.
then the container
Then
is
drawn
filled
off
with
means so
B.
you need to add na for to find out the initial mixture.
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
From the initial mixture only you are drawing out.
Yeah.
Then what would be the initial mixture? That 9 liter will be there with respect to the initial mixture. Understood? Clear?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Not able to understood?
No.
So now listen. So now, okay. So now let's assume that, okay, this is the container. In this container, we are having the liquid A and B. Okay, some ratio will be there. So here, after 9 liters adding na this one. So sorry, if you are taking out that 9 liter, it will become this part is this second container is nothing but the this container is nothing but the 9 liter taking out that 9 liter of B adding here. Then what would be the initial that 9 liter you need to add here? Not able to understand. You are taking out that 9 liter means what would be the initial?
Yeah. So that 12 is initial already without
Huh?
9 liter drawn off, right, sir?
No, with 9 only. 12 unit plus that 9, it is going to be the initial mixture. Try to form. Let me tell again. So that 2 unit is nothing but the 9 liters. That
Yes,
2
sir.
unit that you are taking out na. That taking out is nothing but the 2 unit. Okay, which means that here in the initial that 2 unit you need to initially you see after you are taking this much means what would be the initial? Initial is nothing but the plus 2 with respect to the since whatever you are removing that should be added with respect to the initial.
Yep. Okay.
Then only clear no
Sir, here I have one question. Why we multiplied with 7 in final mixture?
since we
Initial
are
and
calculating with respect to the how many liter of liquid only out of that initial mixture. If the question is dealing with the B, then you have to multiply by 5 by 12 into 63. Clear Ashina?
liquid. Okay, sir. Understood.
So now what will be the answer for this one? 21 here to 42 44 440 441 right?
Yes, sir.
441 by 12. So then you can give with respect to the point or else you can give with respect to the mixer fraction also.
Sir, 147 by 4.
147 by 4 So mixer fraction Dinesh 3 times 12 27 6 times 24 then 3. So then it will become
36
Uh,
3 by 4.
36 3 by 4
3 by
liters.
4.
So this is going to the A part. Suppose if the question is dealing with the B part, then what you have to do, you have to take 5 by 12 into 63. Clear? Or else you have to subtract 63 minus 36 3 by 4. Then you will get the liquid B.
As a one more question.
Hmm.
Uh, Initial mixture is when we calculate initial mixture,
Hmm.
12 is the 7 is to 5 to 12. 1 unit 5. Oh, 1 unit means 9 by 2, na?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. And 9 units we have drawn out, so that's why we added here
Yes,
for
of course.
final.
To calculate the initial mixture.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir. Understood. Understood.
Suppose after drowning out means what you have to do? We should not take that 9.
Yes, sir.
But the question is dealing with the initial mixture. Whatever the quantity you are taken out, that quantity you need to take add with respect to the initial one. So then only you will get the total mixture with respect to the initial container. So you have to be very careful with these questions. Then I'll give you uh, 1, 2, 3 questions for a practice. See, listen, this kind of question you need to practice a lot. This kind of question, that rupees denomination questions, you need to practice a lot. Since why I'm giving you denomination question is, see, every year 2021 there was a question with respect to the denomination. 2022 also there, na, with respect to the denomination. Is it? I think so. What about you people? No,
சரி
you people
கேட்டிருக்காங்க sir.
கேட்டிருக்காங்களா? சரி, fine. I'll give you a solution here. Please try this one. Okay. So this number of coins in each cases or else total number of coins, they will form a question. Okay. I'm very sure that suppose if you are not able to get the answer, please just tell me. I will give you the solution. I will give you one more question here. Shall I give one more question with respect to this one? If you
Yes
want, I
sir.
will give you.
Yes,
A
sir.
box contains 280 coins of 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise. The value of each kind of the coins are in the ratio 8 is to 4 is to 3. Find number of 50 paise coin. So I will tell you the simple method how to solve this kind of question. So first of all, write like this: rupees 1 or else rupee 1, then 50 paise, then 25 paise. Okay, so then write the ratio which has been provided: 8, 4, then 3. Okay, now, so what is the question? The question is dealing with the number of total number of
50 paise coins.
50 paise coins only. Okay, so now a box contains 280 coins of 1 rupee. Okay, then 50 paise, then 25 paise. The value of each of the coin are in the ratio. So therefore, we have found the According to the question, the value is nothing but the 8:4:3. Okay. So then, so convert everything with respect to rupee first. So here 8. So here
2 rupee.
4.
Sir, 2 rupees, sir.
No. First of all, find out the number of coins here. So suppose in order to get a 50 paise coin as a 1 rupee, then what you have to do? How many coins? So here 8 rupees. Here
2.
number of coins for 8 rupees is nothing but a 8. Then same quantity, make it. To get the 8 rupees, how much of 50 paise coins should be here?
16.
Value is 4.
Then 8,
Value
sir.
is 4.
16, sir, 16.
8.
8. You know, right? How 8? You got how 8 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 8 50 paisa coin is equal to 4 rupees.
Clear? See, listen, the value is 4 here. So to get the value as 3, how many 25 paise coins required? 12.
12.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
No. See, value means the amount value. Amount value is 8. How much of number of coins required in order to make 8 rupees? 1 rupee coin. 1 into 8 rupee. Then 50 pies into. So suppose the value is going to be the 4. Okay. So 50 pies into dash is equal to 4. Simple. 2 pies, sorry, 250 is nothing but a 1. Clear? 450 is nothing but a 2 rupee. 650 is nothing but the 3 rupees. 850 is nothing but the 4 rupee. Value is 4 now means you need. So everyone understood? 25 paise coins you are having. To make it a 12 rupees, then how much of coins? Sorry, 3 rupees. How much 25 coins are required? 4 coins is equal to 1 rupee. Clear?
Yes, sir.
8 coins is equal to 2
Yes,
rupee.
sir.
So then
Yes, sir.
I think everyone is clear with this one. How
Yes,
you are
sir.
getting
Yes,
this
sir.
8, 12. Okay. After this conversion, what you need to do is find out the total number of coins here. What is the total number of coins?
28.
28. Listen. Therefore, the total number of coins. Listen. Since the question is dealing with the number of coins, so find out this. Total number of coins. Total number of coins is equal to 28. So, okay. Therefore, this 28 coins, which is equal to what? How much of amount? So, this 28 of coin, which is equal to the box contains 280. Okay. Then what is the one coin? One coin is equal to 10. Okay. Then how much you need to calculate with respect to 50 pies? 50 pies is equal to 8. One coin is equal to 10 means then 8 coin is equal to what? 80. So totally 80 50 pies coins there with respect to out of 280. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If the question is dealing with the 1 rupee, then also 80. 81 rupee there, 80 50 pies there, then how much remaining? 160, 120. 120 25 pies coins will be there. Clear? No means no, yes means yes.
Yes,
Simple.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood? If the
Yes,
question is
sir.
dealing with the number
Yes,
of
Yes,
sir.
sir.
50 pies coins means then you have to multiply here with respect to this one. So similar way, just do with the 480 coins. Surely you will get the answer.
150, 180, 150.
Correct. Rashakar, correct Rashakar. With respect to the first one. So half rupees.
Yes, sir.
Half rupees means what? 50 paise. Quarter rupees means what? 25 paise. Here 10 paise. Then the value, what is the value here? 531. So therefore, to get a 5 rupees, then how much of 50 paise required?
10.
10. 25 paisa quarter means. Then to get the 3 rupees, then we need a 12, 12 coins. I'm discussing with respect to the first one. Then first one. So 1 means 10 paise. To get the 1 rupee, how many 10 paise required? 10 paise required.
10.
Therefore, total number of coins
32.
32. 10,
Yes, sir.
12, 10,
Sir,
then 20 plus
32.
32. 32 is equal to what? 480. Then 1 coin is equal to
15.
480 by 32. You got answer 15. 15. So
Yes,
therefore,
sir.
1 coin is equal to 15 means therefore number of 50 paise coin is nothing but here initially 10. Therefore 10 into 15, 150. Simple. People are getting. So I think so practice only required. So I'll give you these 2 questions as a practice. Suppose if you couldn't able to get the answer, try to come back. Okay, you are having my ID etc. Okay, you can come back. So
Sir,
I'm yes having doubt. I'm concluding this class here. If you are having doubt, please clarify.